Romaine and cherry tomatoes tossed in a chipotle pepper flavored Caesar dressing, topped with grilled corn and grilled avocado. Surprisingly simple, exceedingly delicious. Try this grilled avocado salad with smoky Caesar dressing. This recipe is a mashup of flavorful favorites, 1 part Caesar salad, 1 part Tex-Mex vibe. It has 2 grill components, but make sure to watch to the very end of this video because we do a little upgrade where we do add-ons and add-ins to turn this recipe from side dish to main course. It all begins with the salad dressing. Pour half a cup of vegetable oil into a medium-sized bowl, then add the juice from 1 lemon. We're gonna whisk to combine. Next comes 2 garlic cloves grated and 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper. So a chipotle pepper is actually a smoked jalapeno that's marinating in something called adobo, which is a spicy chili sauce. It comes in a small can, just pop the top off, grab 1 pepper, we're gonna chop it up, and if you like spicy, add a bit of that sauce. Our recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of the diced chipotle, but you can add more to taste. It is really good. Back to the dressing, add half a cup of grated Parmesan and whisk or stir everything together. Your dressing is done. Next, the tossed components for this recipe. We're giving 1 cup of cherry tomatoes the rinse, then halving them. We're also taking romaine lettuce. You may need 1 or 2 heads of romaine depending on the size. Remove blemished outer leaves, then cut the head lengthwise. Cut into 1-inch strips. You know the drill. Give the lettuce a thorough rinse, then spin. The goal is 6 cups of chopped leaves. Now comes the best bits. We're gonna grill corn and avocado. Wait until you try it. Husk 3 ears of corn, and I like to give them a rinse to coax away any clinging silk. We're gonna brush the cobs with vegetable oil. Avocados, you'll need 3 for the recipe. Cut in towards the center until you hit the pit, also known as the seed. Run the knife all around, then a gentle twist. Beauty. Pop up and discard the pit. Same as the corn, we're gonna brush the avocados with vegetable oil. Just like that, it is grill time. Left side of the grill is on moderate high heat. Goal temperature is 500 degrees. When it's hot, give the grate a wipe with a vegetable oil soaked cloth, then place the corn down. Close the lid, grill for maybe 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally. You want corn that has a gorgeous golden color. Ready to grill the avocados, they go down onto the grill for 3 minutes max. At that 3-minute mark, you can see the grill marks and a beautiful browned look. Amazing. Time to head back indoors for 2 quick tricks before we serve. For the corn, grab a bundt pan, perfect vessel for slicing the kernels off the cob. No mess, everything spills into that pan. Brilliant. For the avocados, a pear-shaped avocado knife helps us gently skin the avocados. The curve travels between the flesh and the skin, also brilliant. We're gonna slice the peeled avocados and you're good to go. Even serving this salad is easy. Transfer the romaine into a large bowl along with the tomatoes. Add half the quantity of dressing and toss gently. Then divide the salad between 4 or 6 side plates. Add a few spoonfuls of the corn, followed by slices of the grilled avocado. Spoon on some of the reserved dressing. Top the salad off with some additional grated Parmesan plus a sprinkle of sea salt flakes and freshly cracked black pepper. Amazing, right? But I'm not done yet. Time to upgrade to main course. While the grill is still hot, add a run of chicken strips seasoned with our salt and pepper mix. Add a swipe of Weekend at the Cottage barbecue sauce. Oh, this is going to be so good. Same setup for the dinner salad, the dressed romaine and tomatoes. Add spoonfuls of the corn, the grilled avocado. Then a few strips of these very flavorful chicken tenders. I am ready for dinner. You ready? We hope so. Full recipe is up at Weekend at the Cottage for you to reference. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a side dish or main looks this delicious, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag Weekend at the Cottage on Pinterest, the Gram, or Facebook. Grilled avocado salad with smoky Caesar dressing. Side dish or main, choice is yours. Gotta tell you, very delicious.